Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going straight to the router interface. Connect your device to the TP-Link network, then open a browser and go to 192, 168, 0, 1 or TP-Link net. Enter the admin username and password. This authenticates you so the router will reveal connected devices. If you don't know the password, reset the router and set a new admin password. Once logged in, you'll be able to see the management screens and proceed to device lists without distractions. Once logged in, navigate to the DHCP client list or the Connected Devices section under Wireless or Network. There you'll see each device's hostname, MAC address, and assigned IP. Use these three fields to identify phones, laptops, or smart devices. Make sure to compare MACs with the device's settings when names are generic. Once identified, rename entries or add notes so that later visits are faster and mistakes are avoided. This also helps spot unknown devices quickly. To finish, use the router controls to block, blacklist, or set access schedules for devices you don't want online. For trusted gadgets, create static IP leases so they're always recognizable. Save configuration changes and reboot the router if the UI doesn't immediately reflect updates. If a device isn't showing, restart its Wi-Fi and the router, then refresh the client list. This resolves most discovery issues. If problems persist, check firmware updates and update the router to improve device reporting and stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.